The Enchanted Orchard. In the heart of the Whimsy Woods, where the air sparkled with laughter and the trees whispered tale of magic, there stood an extraordinary apple tree. This tree was not ordinary tree, it was the Enchanted Orchard, home to the most magical apples in the land. In a cozy cottage nearby lived a curious little girl named Sophie. One day, as she wandered through Whimsy Woods, she stumbled upon the Enchanted Orchard. To her amazement, the trees had apples of every color, red, blue, green, and ever-sparkling silver. As Sophie reached out to pluck a red apple, the tree spoke in a gentle voice. "Choose wisely, dear child. Each apple grants a wish." Eyes wide with wonder, Sophie carefully selected a blue apple. With a twinkle, the tree granted her wish, and suddenly a field of colorful butterflies surrounded her, dancing in the sunlight. Excitement babbling within her, Sophie visited the Enchanted Orchard every day, selecting apples and making wishes that turned ordinary movement into the magical adventures. The sparkling silver apple smote a gentle rain of stardust, and the green apple brought forth the chorus of singing birds. Word of the magical orchard spread through Whimsy Woods, and soon children from all around came to make wishes. The Enchanted Orchard shared its magic freely, turned the once quiet woods into a vibrant realms of joy and laughter. One day, as Sophie stood beneath the radiant branches, she made a selfless wish for the Enchanted Orchard to continue spreading happiness. The tree shimmered, and from its branches poured seeds that scattered across the land. Soon, new apple tree blossomed, and each bore magical fruits. The magic of the Enchanted Orchard has transformed Whimsy Woods into a forever enchanted realm where wishes came true, laughter echoed through the trees, and the joy of sharing magical moments lived on. And so, the children of Whimsy Woods, led by Sophie, continue to visit the Enchanted Orchard, knowing that the true magic lay not just in the apple, but in kindness and wonder they shared with each other.